Good morning, you YouTube you. Gonna have to be quick here because there's some rain coming in. Here's my repaired Tiger Moth 30-inch by a vintage model company. A kit I built, converted to RC. Had a bit of a smash a while ago. It's been rebuilt. It's not quite the same, but it's as good as I can get it. So I'm going to give it a battery hop up as well. It's normally on 280 milliamp hour batteries, the flight ones, but today I'm going to fly it on 350 milliamp and 40C batteries to see if it just gives it that extra bit of pep. So let's get it in the air, YouTube. Okay, let's get this thing in the air, YouTube. I think it's definitely got a bit more pep, which is no surprise, given the battery hop up. And it seems to be flying okay. When I crashed it last time I flew it, I made a mess of it. The cabane struts had all fractured and they poked through the Oracover Lite covering. So I had to repair all that, and there were other bits of damage as well. And the top wing, as a result, hasn't gone back on straight like it was. It's fractionally out, but you know, we're talking model engineering here. It's lives aren't at stake. But it definitely feels a little stronger, and well, that's good. You know, I've sort of jealously looked at some of you guys and girls out there, sort of blind. You say, oh yeah, I stuck a much more powerful battery in it and look at it go. And I always think, oh, we shouldn't do that. You know, caution pays and all that. And nobody seems to really have a great deal of problems. And I think QED, Quad Erat Demonstrandum, here it is, suffering so far no ill effects, other than just better flying. It's an absolutely miserable day today as well. Yeah, it's got a better climb rate, more penetration. I'll still need to give it some nose down for a loop, but let's try it. Now back round. Let's do this thing out here. Oh yes. Yes. Much stronger, but still flying scale. Well, yeah, as scale as a tiny model can. Down, trimming it. Yes, a slightly heavier battery is helping with the flying characteristics. It's always been a little tiny bit tail heavy. Oh, this is flying so well now. What a nice happy sight on a miserable as sin day. Just flat grey ugliness. And the meteorological office said last night that we weren't going to get any rain until 3 in the afternoon, so I was looking forward to a long day's flying today. And unfortunately the rain is going to be coming in at 10 o'clock this morning, which is not so far away. Oh yes, 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 yes. I am very much liking this. It fell out of that loop. Oh, look at this, I've got my 1 minute countdown, so the battery will be softening a bit. Oh, no, in fact that is time. I was so thrilled watching my lovely Tiger Moth fly, I didn't even notice the 60-second counter go off. Now, let's try and bring it in as gently as possible, because I haven't got the lovely catching mitt of long grass, although the ground is a bit boggy. Throttle cut on. I'm delighted with that. Cold finger. I am delighted with the way that's working. Wow, very, very happy with that, YouTube. Guys and girls. Yes, I'll take that happily all day long. I've got a few more batteries with me. I won't record those extra flights. This one is for you. See you soon, YouTube. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.